Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can mark an item as complete or done in your GitHub projects in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to your repository on GitHub and also to your project. I will go with this one here. Next, what you want to do is go through the list of your items, and here under that status field, click into that drop-down menu and switch from to do to in progress or done. And that's basically it. Now the given item or task will then be marked with the checkmark button here to the left, as you can see. If you'd like to customize these statuses, guys, you may do that by simply clicking into these column options here. And after that, select field settings. And here you may, for example, add a custom status. So instead of done, let us go with complete. Type it in here, excuse the typo. Click into add, and then you may, for example, customize that, change its position, edit the option, change the color, for example, change the text, describe it, and that's it. And these will then be saved, these changes. So let me move it to the bottom of that list. And if I now return to my list of items and let me refresh it, I will be able to select this option of status. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.